In this Java tutorial, we're going to download and install the necessary tools to build Java applications. So open up your browser and search for JDK download. JDK is short for Java Development Kit, and it's basically a software development environment for building Java applications. It has a compiler, it has a bunch of code that we can reuse, it has a Java runtime environment, and a bunch of other stuff. So over here, you can see this page on oracle.com, Java SE, which is short for Java Standard Edition. Click on this. Now over here, click on this icon. Now on this page, you can see Java Development Kit for various platforms like Linux, macOS, and Windows. Here I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to download this DMG file over here. Now before we do this, first we need to accept the license agreement. All right, now let's download the DMG. When we open this, we're going to see this package. Let's double click this. And here we see this installation wizard. It's super easy. Just click continue and install. You have to enter your computer's password. And then, all right, done. Beautiful. So we can move this to trash. Now, the next piece of software we need is a code editor. There are so many code editors for building Java applications. The popular ones are NetBeans, Eclipse, and IntelliJ. In this Java course, I'm going to use IntelliJ, but if you have a favorite editor, feel free to use that to take this course. That's perfectly fine. So let's search for IntelliJ download. All right, you can see download IntelliJ IDEA. Click on this link. Over here, download the Community Edition, which is absolutely free, and it's more than enough for this course. So download. All right, now let's drag and drop this onto the applications folder. Beautiful. All right, we've installed all the necessary tools to build Java applications. So next, we're going to look at the anatomy of a Java program.